Welcome back, heroes and YouTube family. This is Christian back to you in the video just for all of you guys. We are in the U-Haul. We went ahead and grabbed the paint match Seibon Hood. We've had it stored at our homie's Calder shop, the one with the amazing Shelby truck. He did an amazing job of storing it for me, taking care of it, so that way I can go ahead and grab it now and put it on my Supra. All right, guys, so this is exactly how it looks. Man, look how perfect this came out. Elite Wraps did a really great job. You guys saw they took that piece off on both sides, and man, that looks great. I really think having the black with the roof and the back and all the accents, and now the side skirts, even the door handle right there, and the black mirrors, really like how this is now starting to look. We even got the side splitters, side skirts right there too. And then we got the roof, so you guys can see how the side skirts look. The side piece being black, we got the rear. Now we're starting to get that white and black with the accent look. Definitely love how they did that design right here on the window. Swoops is all around. Same thing on the other side. Goes up. Love it. So we got the carbon fiber on the inside with the red. We want to match the carbon and the red inside. To have those accents, but on the outside I want it to be more just clean, more classy. All of the gloss black now just goes perfect with the car. This is probably one of my favorite angles of the Supra. What do you guys think? I love this angle right here. Love this angle shot. Yeah, this is probably the front quarter look. And I think the rear quarter look. Yeah, these front rear quarter look and the rear quarter look. Comments below, let me know what you guys think. You like the rear more? You like the front? I go back and forth. I can't tell. I love it all. I think the black mirrors and this is a perfect look. Shout out to you guys for agreeing with me, going the black mirrors instead of keeping the red mirrors. Shout out to you guys for that. Just look at this, even from this side, like just kind of sneaking a peek inside, you can kind of see the red pieces with the carbon fiber. Like, I got the new steering wheel coming in soon. Like, that is perfect. I know quite a few people do these in carbon on the sides, especially just without anything, but I really do think that if you're gonna be going ahead and doing the side, the black all together looks great together, and I think it all comes together nice. So, watch your step, yeah. So remember I was saying it's so much lighter than the other one? Yeah. Alright guys, so here's the hood. One more time again. That paint match with the exposed carbon right here on the sides. Definitely love the vents. Lots of vents on this hood actually. Very large vents too. But you can see we got paint matched. And I really do think, even though this is carbon, I think the black is going to be a perfect look, just kind of with the carbon. So it's not too much carbon, but just enough to know you guys it's there. I'm kind of going with the interiors. You guys see the vents are carbon, the interior of the car is all carbon, but the outside is going to be gloss. So I'm really going with this nice gloss, white, black, and carbon look. But as you guys can see over here, come a little closer one more time. This is such a massive hood, and that's why I needed to get the U-Haul. As you guys can see, most hoods usually stop here, you know, because the side fenders are much bigger, but they almost incorporate like a side fender almost style on the Supra, because you see this side fender is almost just like a very small fender, so the fender is literally incorporated into the hood pretty much. So that's why it is on the bigger side and larger side. But then we'll go ahead and get this installed very shortly. But one more time, this is the Seibon hood. Yeah, this sucker's not coming out, so you can tighten this thing in there.
It's so much better that you have two catches though, because carbon fiber hoods, they tend to, if you have one single one, good chance of it cracking.
Oh, really?
It takes a lot more.
Oh, a lot of pressure? Okay.
Yeah.
Damn, that's gonna look really nice actually. All right, y'all, check out, look at this fitment. This fitment's actually not so bad for an aftermarket hood. It's very, very minimum. Like even here, it's just slightly, but for the most part, it is pretty spot on, man. You can see both sides, matching on both sides. Got the fitment on the side. But damn, these carbon fiber vents. Oh man, now the front, now it's looking great. Look at that. Dang. Oh, this is so good. So good. So good. Like, look at this. Jeez. If I did want to go with a carbon vent or something, the carbon here matches. I think the carbon looks good since there's not so much. But so far right here, whew, this car just keeps getting better and better, man. Like you guys, we have a Supra. We are here at Elite Wraps. They have been just killing it. Look at all the work we have done. They got the hood done right here. They got the side pieces done right here. They got the whole roof done. I know I've gone over this a few times, but man, like, I can't even tell if I like the rear. Once I get like a nice like cat back right there, maybe go dark black tips or something. It looks so good. You can even see here, fitment is really great on this side right here. I'm gonna go check out the driver's side, but the passenger, perfect. Check out the driver's side. Driver's side is perfect too. Look at that. Man, no issues on fitment over here. Love this hood. I think paint match is definitely the way to go, especially on these cars. And I really do now like that black there. I think it just has a nice little transition from this to the black to the rear. I think just having nothing there would have been just kind of missing something, but I really love that black now. It's a nice transfer right there. And man, yeah, the roof just makes it look so sleek. Looks really sleek now. Car is, man, I love it. So we're gonna go ahead and take the Supra out. Yeah, just get a pure 800 and E85 it. Yeah, that's the money shot right there. That's the money shot right there. Damn. Yeah, that's why I was like, bro, just doing those subtle things, it really just makes the biggest difference on the car now. We're back in the Supra. Oh man, I don't know about y'all, but when you get mods done on the car, that first drive is always the best into the next time. All right, you guys, so it's the next day, and man, like the fitment and the color match and just everything just came out really good, really nice. It's a little bit dirty because it's been raining a little bit. Need to clean it for sure. But yeah, this is how the Supra is looking right now. I just want to say I appreciate all of you guys for following, supporting the channel, and just everything that's been going into my builds. Like, I never would have imagined I'd have a Supra and my Corvette, and man, I just have so many people to thank from it, and just want to say I appreciate you guys, and hope everyone has a great day, a blessed day. And like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality. Be safe, y'all. And like I always keep saying, this can be you guys. You guys have the power to do anything you put your minds to. So go out there and do it and take it and create the life you want. Peace, y'all.